Hi, Nakia. Just a couple suggestions on your resume. One thing I like to use large font for your name, and you had your email and phone number represented properly. You had a uniform font throughout the whole resume that you utilized. The one thing I saw that you did not underline life experiences, but you did underline education. So, maybe that's something you may want to look at to make it more uniform. Um, the one thing, if you could, I would suggest is try to minimize your white space. You got a lot of white space here, and your volunteer experience is mixed in um, with your education and with your life experiences. So I don't know if it would be beneficial for you to separate that, or leave it inclusive with your as you have it right now. Again, one more thing, the use of action verbs. I would suggest you try to use more action verbs throughout the resume, to make your points. All right, thank you.